Hey guys, I got a bit of a different install for you today. This is a little outside my normal, but this is, don't mind that wheel. Damn it, I'm gonna paint them. I swear to God, I'm gonna paint them. It's just gonna be another 7 months till I get it done. Anyways, so, when I ordered this from Subispeed, I thought for sure that I was buying a full replacement Alcantara center console. But I wasn't. I was literally just buying the fabric. So now I have to basically pull this one off. Freaking dirty jacket in here. So I have to pull this one off and basically take this leather stuff off and replace it with the Alcantara. Now, it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm going to have to go to Walmart and get some glue for the thing so that I can do this. And hopefully it's worth it. Alright guys, so I ended up going with this. It was like $10 instead of like the 7 that it said it was. But no biggie. Now we just got to pull this cover off. Now I have no idea how to do this yet. But I'm guessing it's just these 6 bolts. There's 3 on each side. And then when we pull those off, I guess the top will just come off. If the top doesn't just come off, I don't know. Something underneath should be, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, looks like once all 6 of those screws are out, there is one more right there, and this should come right off. Alright, now it's off. I don't really know what to do here. I guess probably just pull up on the old fabric until it all comes off. I'm not entirely positive. It feels like there's definitely maybe some foam underneath this. So I'm just going to start peeling away at the fabric and trying to pull it back and see what it does. Okay, this was stupid easy to peel off. So literally I just got up underneath and started peeling. And it literally just peels right off. I didn't do anything besides peel up a little bit. And to be honest with you, it doesn't look like there's any adhesive at all on the top side of this. So I might not even need that adhesive. Here's the new one. And the old one. And here's the armrest. Yeah, there couldn't have been any glue on that. There's no way. It was all just up underneath. And it wasn't even a lot. Like, it took no effort to peel that. Okay. I might not, like I said, I might not even need that spray adhesive. I may just wrap it around. And put a little bead of, like, super glue or something on the inside here. And, see what it does. Just for some good measure, I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with the adhesive. And then wrap it around. And yeah, I don't even think. I'm just going to try and get it heavy on the edges and just mist a little bit in here. Alright, that was pretty simple. Literally, I just had to fold it, kind of like how the old one was. So I sprayed the inside edges and I sprayed all under the inside of this. I got to smooth it down a little bit and pull it back underneath a little bit more. As you can see, like an air bubble there. And then once I do that, I can put it back in the car. Alright guys, so it is on. And to be honest, I'm kind of surprised it came out half decent. I don't know. It feels a little bit wavy or something. A little chunky. I don't know. Something don't feel right. But it's too far back for anyone to rest their hand on anyway, so no one's really gonna rest anything, any part of your body on. But yeah, I think with having the Alcantara on the door panels, I think that looks a little bit better than the old one. I really want to get an Alcantara wrapped steering wheel. And I've been thinking about doing the Alcantara shifter boot and the e-brake cover. The only thing with that is the shifter boot gets so much crap in it. And I mean, I know Alcantara is supposed to be easy to clean, but hair sticks to it, everything sticks to it more. And like up here near the drink holders, when you're spilling stuff, once or twice I've already spilled something on the shifter, on the armrest. So it's definitely a concern. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I might end up doing it at some point, but this thing matched with the stock door panels when it had the whatever this fabric is. This was on the door panel there, and so it kind of made sense that it was here. But now I think it makes sense with the door panels being replaced to have this.